This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the shear pins on a Reese farm jack. And in this case, I went to Tractor Supply. I thought I could buy the stuff by the pound, but I couldn't. So I got a grade 8 flange bolt, 7/16 by 14 thread, 2.5 inches long. And this thing takes two of them. I mean, from what I read, the shear bolt is right here, and there's a second bolt the same size up here. So as I was putting this thing together, as I mentioned in a different video, this thing's had a hard life, so stuff's bent and out of whack a little bit. So I put a 7/16 washer in here as a spacer, and then down here on the shear bolt I put one on each side just to take some of that lateral slop out. And in an application like this, where the bolt is replacing a pin and you want the thing to turn and be free, I just take a chisel and deform the threads there. So you can see where I whacked that thing with this chisel a couple of times, and the same thing up here. And then if you try to turn the nut off by hand, it will not come off. So you don't have to worry about losing that in the field. But when you want to take it off later and you throw a wrench on each side, you can go ahead and the nut will form those threads so you can get the nut off. So anyway, that's an inexpensive way. You don't have to buy a Nylock nut, and you just score this thing with the chisel, deform the threads enough that this wants to stay home, and now I should be able to put this thing in action. And that little part cost me $2.99 from Tractor Supply. So I hope this helps you. Have a nice day.